Who won the clash? Okay, so let me just give my take quickly on the clash because I know that you know what here. Everybody asks me who won the clash, who won the clash. But I just talk and tell them mine. I don't know, so when me talk, I'm going to put my mouth around, I'm going to come and I'm going to talk the truth, I'm going to speak what it is and say it for whatever it is. You see, January 26th, I'm having a dinner in Atlanta. Then you see, January 28th, we're going to be in New York City. My website, spiceofficial.com, has all the information. The ticket price dropped tonight alone. Go on my website and book your seat at the table so you can learn to earn. That's my take.
Straight.
You know, something I like to work for something in family. And the lace side of the lace white. Besties, what go on? We could talk about this real quick. Hi, besties. Oh, here I want to fix, and I got like. Besties, we just do a green screen. I wanted to come in and say hi and to answer a few questions because I feel like a lot of people, they needed a few clarity on these two events that I'm having. There's a lot of confusion been happening, so I just wanted to stop real quick and answer on the questions and just to clarify a few things with you guys. Billionaire, wagwan, goody, big up yourself. Rich girl Mel, I miss you, sis. Big up your nice clean self, Mel, yeah. Big up yourself. Happy New Year to you too, 6star_doll. I am Tracy. Big up your nice clean self. No, everybody know, but we'll talk about this. I started this year and I said, let's talk about business. And I feel like you guys don't really understand the concept. I'm really encouraging entrepreneurs and business because a lot of people, I know everybody want to have money. You can't, there's no denying it. Everybody want to have money. Everybody want to be rich. Everybody want to be a billionaire. You can't get to the money if you don't have income. You can't make money if you don't have incomes. And when I say income, you have to have multiple streams of income. Because I know a lot of us, we have different streams of income, but there's levels to this. You have to put a plan together, a plan into place. And that's why I created my planner, which is the navigational planner. It's not just a planner, it's also a workbook. So for those of you who don't understand, it's on my website, spiceofficial.com. All the information is there. I'm dropping the price of the tickets today because we only have a couple seats left. And I want to stop, you know, inviting people to come in this business dinner because I only have a few seats left and I want to, you know, be finished up with it so I can focus on the people and put them in a group so we can start talking about business because that is what it's all about this year, okay? So make sure you go on my website, make sure you grab your ticket. I'm going to drop the prices just for tonight for the final seats that's left so we can put you guys in a group so I can start doing private Zooms so we can stop come on live, come talk to them because you see when you see the people them have make them money and the people them have them testimony and you see me take the business them from ground up to top, then y'all gonna be saying, oh, I should have been on the Zoom, I should have learned this and I'm gonna learn that. I'm not going to be alone. I'm traveling with a wealth of people. You got to book your seat at the table because I'm traveling with teachers. I'm traveling with people who's doing business grant. I'm coming with people who's going to teach you how to build your credit. I'm going to travel with people who's going to teach you how to do funding. So I'm traveling with a wealth of knowledge. You have to book your seat at the table to get this information. Sky, them love the makeup. You did a good job. Big up my makeup artist. Come back and talk about this. They said don't put Shekinah on your back. Shekinah is here. I'm actually at work at Green Screen. Have a big up, Sky.
Hi.
Them say you're going good. Them say my face beat.
Thank you. Thank you.
At Jamaica she come from. You know where I represent. Right true.
Right true.
Oh, them like the hair too. Omar on the hair. He ain't all that. You know he's very grumpy. He want to go in my yard. Him take them having look like your papa working from morning. Him come here. Say him want to go home now. And she come late.
Yeah. Say it where I can understand.
I didn't say anything bad about you.
Oh, okay.
They understand me. Tell him what I didn't say anything bad. I was telling the people you beat my hair because they like my hair.
Appreciate.
And then I said he's over there sitting all grumpy because he want to go home. When we start talk part of them get nervous, kind of I wonder when me I say, and when me I chat them say, you can chat them and go on, but them not understand right in front of them face and them not understand what me I say. You understand? Because if you fuck up my head, I could have tell you. But he did good. He did good. I have a lovely smile. Thank you guys. I make sure I brush my teeth 3 times a day. I have 2 chin. When I have to give me the remedy to get rid of one of my chin. Who won the clash? Okay, so let me just give my take quickly on the clash because I know that you know what here. Everybody asks me who won the clash, who won the clash. But I just talk and tell them mine. I don't know, so when me talk, I'm going to put my mouth at ground, I'm going to come and I'm going to talk the truth, I'm going to speak what it is I said for whatever it is. You see, January 26th, I'm having a dinner in Atlanta. Then you see, January 28th, we're going to be in New York City. My website, spiceofficial.com, has all the information. The ticket price dropped tonight alone. Go on my website and book your seat at the table so you can learn to earn. That's my take.
Straight.
Miss O, if you're nasty. Oh, big up yourself. Oh, we could talk about this. We have to talk about this. Oh, a long time I don't hear from you. Oh, big up yourself. Levitate, big up your nice clean self. I'll know me can't get the rhythm them. Me not ready to talk about you yet. So I'm going to do a live about you alone in a levitate. Me have to do a live about you alone and explain everything. Big up yourself, my sister. I love you like life itself. I post on the SM what I did for you and them don't believe it. Big up yourself, Fennis Hamilton. I love you. But guys, visit my website, spiceofficial.com. If you have any questions, if you don't understand, I can answer a few questions. Somebody said, come to Toronto with it now. I'm not booked for Toronto as yet, but I'm going to be in Canada. Edmonton. What date? I want to see Shekinah.
She gotta get off the clock.
Where should I?
No, I'm talking about the PA.
Oh.
Get overtime.
Oh no, but this company rich, they can pay her.
No.
They have it. No business. Say well. Yeah, Shekinah. Yeah. I'm gonna be in Edmonton. I forgot the date. Yeah, so make sure guys go on my website at spiceofficial.com and grab your tickets. Lord Jesus, on a full mix up, on a full mix up, on a full mix up. What's your kind of? I'm gonna go say bye then. Let me go say bye to her. Come before I make the people in my life know my business. I don't know. Why I can't say bye to Shekinah?
Because she's working.
Oh, but she soon finish work.
She on the team.
Girl, we at green screen office for Love and Hip Hop. I edit the couple of episodes them. You know those episodes was shot when a couple months ago, but now them edit it now. I'm gonna look for Shekinah real quick so we can go out and go home. She said you rushing to go home.
She gotta
Who said
go.
that? That's what I told her. I said this lady be chilling. You see, I told her. Really? Why?
Because she gotta close up.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. So, y'all saying I'm holding all of y'all up, the old office, because she got to drive me home. Then she, sorry, I didn't know that. But why you didn't tell me? I was just chilling. And you know my ass lives so far. I want to talk to Shekinah ass. They don't want me to see Shekinah. See, she stop and drink.
You cannot.
That's me to say bye.
Okay.
I always
down the steps.
I'm alive. I want to say hi to Shekinah. Shekinah, let me tell you, how much pages you got? This is the girl for Love and Hip Hop. Let me tell you, she's editing 20 pages of green screen. Look at her, sitting all pretty.
She is lying like hell.
Sitting all pretty.
I mean,
This is the only time I get to get her when she's